I'm going to show you how to convert from a decimal number to a different number base. So let's just start with 58 and we want to convert it to base 2. So if we just think of reversing the process of going from base 2 to decimal, we think about powers of 2. So let's start, we've got 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, just write a few of them down. Okay, so 2 to 0 is 1, 2 to the 1 is 2, and so on. Okay, now we've gone bigger than 58, so we're not going to need to use this column. But we can see how many 32s go into 58. Well, 1 does, okay, and we'd have a remainder of 58 minus 32, which is going to be 26. Okay, so that means we can fit some 16s in there. So we can fit 1 16 into 26, okay, and the remainder would be 10. And we can fit 1 8 into 10, and the remainder would then be 2. So we can't fit any 4s in, but we can fit exactly 1 2 in, okay, and we don't have any 1s spare. So that means that 58 is 111010 base 2. So this method is slightly awkward, but it's quite easy to see how it works. So instead, here's a slightly quicker method. Okay, if we just keep dividing by the new base number, so 58 divided by 2 is going to be 29, remainder 0. Okay, now we look at this quotient and we're going to divide that by 2. So that's going to give us 14, remainder 1. And we take this quotient and we keep dividing until we've pretty much got nothing left. So now we've got 7 divided by 2, which is 3, remainder 1. We take the 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1. 1 divided by 2 is 0. We've got nothing left, remainder 1. So if we look down here, we've divided by 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, oh, I think 64, just about. So it's the highest power that we've divided by is at the bottom. So we can read our number from the remainders. Okay, so 58 as a decimal is equivalent to 111010 in binary. Okay, let's have a look at a different number base. So let us try 321 maybe, and we're going to put it into base 12. So I'm going to use the second method because I'm not very good at juggling 144 and whatnot. Okay, so we start with 321, we divide it by the number base, which is 12. And if we do that, so 321 divided by 12, my trusty calculator tells me is 26, and we'll have a remainder of 9 for that. Okay, so now we take the quotient, so 26, so we do 26 divided by 12, so that is 2 remainder 2, and then we take the quotient 2 divided by 12 is 0 remainder 2. So we've got to 0 now, and we read going upwards from the bottom our number in base 12. That's